There are three hormones for weight maintenance, and they are insulin, leptin, and ghrelin. Insulin is the hormone that's secreted once you eat something that puts sugar into your cells. Leptin is the hormone that turns on once you feel full. And ghrelin is the hormone that makes you feel hungry. The problem is, if we have too much insulin, it leads to too much of the visceral fat. That's the fat that wraps around your abdomen, which causes diabetes, heart disease, cardiovascular problems, and blood lipid disorders. This visceral fat puts something into your bloodstream called cytokines, which increases inflammation. And you'll know you've got too much inflammation by taking a tape measure and measuring it around your belly button. If you're a female and it measures more than 35 inches or 40 inches for male, you have too much visceral fat. The Metabolic Balance Program is a program designed to balance out your insulin, to balance out your leptin, and to balance out your ghrelin with real whole foods. So if you want more information how you can get rid of this nasty visceral fat, contact me and let's get you started.